Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to change your name color on Telegram. If you want to make your profile stand out or just add a bit of personality to your chats, this feature is definitely worth trying. Let's get started right away. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings without any issues. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on the menu icon. This will open up the main navigation panel where you can find all your account options. Next, tap on Settings. This is where you can customize your Telegram experience, including appearance, notifications, privacy, and more. Inside the Settings menu, scroll a bit until you find the option called Chat Settings and tap on it. This section allows you to personalize how your chats look and feel. Now, look for the option labeled Name Color and tap on it. Here, Telegram gives you a selection of colors that you can apply to your name. Browse through the available colors and choose the one that matches your style. Whether you prefer something bold or something subtle, there's usually a good variety to pick from. After selecting your preferred color, confirm your choice. Once done, your name color will be updated instantly, and you'll notice the change right away in chats. And that's it. Your Telegram name now has a fresh new look. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials like this to get the most out of your apps and stay updated with the latest features.